Hello everyone. In the last class we have discussed about the statistics and some of the introductory parts. Okay, now we are going to the actual part of this chapter. Okay, the first concept is mean. Okay, so the mean means it's nothing but an average, but here we are specifically discussing with the means of grouped data. There are three ways to find the mean. The first type is direct method, second one is assumed mean method, and the third one is step deviation method. So first we are going to discuss the direct method, which is the most simplest method. This is more suitable for the smaller data. First let us see the formula here. Okay, this is the formula what we use. What is that? X bar equals to, so this X bar symbolizes the mean. Okay, and this symbol is called as sigma fi into xi by sigma fi. So what is the sigma symbol represents? It represents summation. Summation means sum of. Okay, say for example if it is sigma fi, that means sum of frequencies, and here you can see fi xi. So frequency and xi represents the class mark. Okay, the product of these two, and you have to add them all. Okay, so xi is a class mark. You might ask what is this I represents, correct? This I represents a natural number. Okay, so that we'll discuss when we start the example now. So let us move on to the example without delay. Yeah, this is going to be our first example. Okay, and this has total 4 steps. Okay, 4 basic steps. The first step in this is you are going to find the sigma fi. What is sigma fi? See, this column is a frequency column. Okay, so number of students 2, 3, 7, 6 plus 6. So when you add all of them, you will get 24. Okay, now let me brief you about this I. Okay, this is first frequency, correct? It is f1. Second frequency f2. Third frequency f3. Fourth frequency f4. Fifth frequency f5. So this number I represents 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Okay, f1, f2, f3, f4, f5. So second step is we are going to find the class mark. What is class mark? The class mark, as you can see, upper limit plus lower limit by 2 or lower limit plus upper limit by 2. That means an average of class interval. 0 plus 20 by 2. So what do you get? 10. 20 plus 40 by 2. See, 20 to 40, it is 20 plus 40 by 2, which gives you 30. 40 to 60, 40 plus 60 by 2 gives you 50. 60 to 80, 60 plus 80 by 2 gives you 70. 80 to 100, 80 plus 100 by 2 gives you 90. Okay, so we have to add the class interval and divide that by 2. That gives you class mark. Now the third step. What is that? fi xi. See, fi multiplied by xi. That means the terms of frequency column multiplied by the terms of class mark column. 2 into 10, it is 20. 3 into 30, right? It is 90. 7 into 50, that is 350. 6 into 70, that is 420. 6 into 90, that is 540. So after all this, you can see here sigma fi xi, right? The meaning of this is the sum of fi xi column. That means 20 plus 90 plus 350, 420, 540. So when you add all of them, we are going to get what? 1420. So till here it is our third step. Now we are going to use the fourth step. Okay, fourth step is using a formula. Okay, this is the formula. What does it say? X bar, that means mean, equal to sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. Okay, so what is sigma fi xi? Already we have got the value as 1420 and sigma fi is 24. So we are going to write it as it is. Then you can divide it. Okay, this part of division can be used by calculation or you can go for direct division. Okay, both are fine. So the mean what we got here is 59.16. Okay, basically the mean lies between the class interval which is in the middle of all the class intervals, that is 40 to 60. This is it. So this is all about direct mean. So the next problem you can try. So the same way the steps are given here. First you need to find what? Write the table vertically. First you need to find sigma fi, then xi you find, Then calculate Fi xi, means frequency and xi column you have to multiply. Then find sigma Fi xi and calculate the mean. So you can pause this video here and calculate and cross check your answers. So for our reference, I am just completing this. Thank you. Have a good day.